We spend billions of dollars looking for alien life on Mars, but we are actually looking in the exact wrong place. Deep at the bottom of our oceans, where nothing should survive. Impossible monsters are thriving. These 5 creatures prove aliens exist here. First, we have the Pompeii worm. They live entirely inside deep-sea underwater volcanoes, right on the ocean floor. The water they call home is hot enough to literally melt lead, and completely toxic to almost every other form of life. Yet, clinging to these violently boiling black smoke vents, they absolutely thrive in the pitch black without any sunlight. Next is a creature that completely defies the laws of physics. The tardigrade, also known as the indestructible water bear. This microscopic tank can survive being frozen at absolute zero, boiled alive, and blasted with massive amounts of intense radiation. Scientists even took them out of our atmosphere and into outer space. And they survived the freezing, airless vacuum of the cosmos unharmed. Then there is the Loricifera, a true deep-sea nightmare. Discovered miles down at the bottom of the Mediterranean Sea. It lives its entire life inside a toxic underwater brine pool. It is the only known animal on planet Earth that completely refuses to breathe oxygen. It doesn't even have the cellular machinery for it. Instead, it survives entirely inside a suffocating, completely dead underwater world. If that wasn't crazy enough, meet the Immortal Jellyfish. This tiny, glowing creature has unlocked the ultimate cheat code to life. When it gets too old, dangerously sick, or heavily injured, it simply doesn't die. Instead, it completely reverses its own aging process. It turns itself all the way back into a baby polyp and starts its life over again. It is fully biologically immortal. Finally, we have the black Seadevil. Looking like a literal alien, it endlessly haunts the pitch-black abyss of the deepest oceans. It uses a glowing rod attached to its head to hypnotize its prey, before swallowing them whole with teeth that look like glass needles. If these impossible, alien-like creatures can survive right here on Earth, just imagine what is hiding out there in the dark universe. Which of these deep-sea creatures terrified you the absolute most? Let me know in the comments, and subscribe to Everglimpse for more.